Hello. Now that you have WCMS open, we are going to go to the left menu and we are going to open the folder wrap SDDU by clicking the plus sign. That brings up a bunch of subfolders. At the bottom you will see BL-EDUC-web, and this is the folder you want to open. Underneath that you will find website, and you'll want to open that. And we will scroll down. Within the website folder, there you see plenty, and we want about. So here we go, about. Click on that plus sign, and there are, again, many subfolders, and we're looking for jobs. So this folder right here, jobs, we will open that, and for example's sake, we'll choose staff. But the same applies if it's an hourly, a faculty, or a grad assistantship type position. So we're gonna open the staff folder, and we have our first page. This blue icon indicates a page, and what we want to do is take that page. We take the just to the right, a triangle appears. We're going to click on that triangle, and we want to copy. And then we are going to give it the system name of, we're going to call this test open position. And this simply means that the system will recognize it as test open position. Submit locks it in. And this green bar at the top indicates that it has been successful, that we have successfully copied a page. Now the contents of this page will actually be exactly the same as the page we just copied stuff from, so in this case it will be the exact same content as this index page. Well, that's okay. So we've copied it, and here we see that it's called test open position. It's an open position file, and I called it test because we're testing for demonstration purposes. So here we have this exact content as the index page, but we're going to change all that. So to change all that, now that it's been successfully copied, we're going to come into this tab here and click edit. And this allows us to first change the name. So we're not going to have the same name at the top of the page as the previous index page. We're going to call this one open staff position number 5, for example. Then as we scroll down into this tiered category, we see the actual body of the page. So we're going to just highlight all that and delete that. And this is where you insert the content that you want in the page. This will likely be the information pertaining to the position that is now open. So we insert the content, and in this field basically you treat that like a Word document. When you're done, again, submit. Click on submit, and that will lock in this page. So we've given it a new title at the top, and we've given it a new content in the middle. And once we see that the edit is successful, so that means it's locked in at this point. It just does take a good 20 to 35 seconds to render and show on this screen. But with this green bar indicates that it's actually done and it's locked in. So while the computer is thinking, I'm going to go ahead and skip the rendering part, and I am going to go to the next step, which is, oh, here we go. So it's now done, and you can see that open staff position here. Open staff position is the title of the page, the title of the position, and then here we have the content. Obviously you're going to have a lot more than this, but here's the body of the page that we inserted. So now that it's been successfully copied and now edited, the last step is to publish. So we come up to this. So as of right now, the public does not see what you've done. You must go to this next and final step, which is publishing. So I click on publish. This will send it out to the public. and then I click submit. And what this will do is, there we go, published, sent successfully. And that means that it is now done. It has now gone live. And again, another 20 to 35 seconds, and the page will render and show you what it looks like live. And that is it. Here we go. We are done. It is now published, and there it is. And I hope you found that helpful. Thanks a lot.